Thinking about making Germany your new home? Whether it's for work, study, or starting a new life, Germany offers incredible opportunities and a rich culture to explore. Today, I'll guide you through the step-by-step visa process to help you move to Germany. We'll cover visa categories, application steps, and essential tips to make your move as smooth as possible. Let's dive in. The first step is choosing the right visa based on your purpose of travel. Germany offers several visa categories tailored to individual needs. Let's break them down now. Tourist visa for short-term visits or vacations. Student visa for higher education or language courses in Germany. Job seeker visa to explore job opportunities in Germany. Work visa for those with a job offer from a German employer. Family reunion visa for joining relatives or a spouse in Germany. Freelancer visa for self-employed professionals and freelancers. Now, let's dive deeper into each visa type to understand its requirements and process. Planning a trip to experience Germany's scenic landscapes and historic cities. A tourist visa or a Schengen visa is ideal for short-term stays up to 90 days. To be eligible, you will need a valid passport with at least 6 months validity, your travel itinerary, including flight and hotel bookings, proof of financial means, such as recent bank statements showing €45, which is approximately $47 per day of stay, and travel health insurance with €30,000, which is approximately $31,500 coverage. Let's explore the following steps together. First, you need to complete the Schengen visa application form. Next, submit the required documents, including itinerary and proof of funds. Then, schedule an appointment at the German Embassy or Visa Application Center, attend the interview, and provide biometrics. Biometrics are measurable physical characteristics or personal behavioral traits used to recognize the identity or verify the claimed identity of an applicant, such as fingerprints. This typically takes about 10 to 15 working days. The cost is around €80, approximately $84. Planning to pursue higher education in Germany? A student visa is your pathway to some of the world's best universities. To be eligible, you will need an admission letter from a recognized German university, proof of sufficient financial resources, such as a blocked account with €11,208, approximately $11,768 for 1 year, and travel health insurance covering your stay. A blocked account in Germany, also known as a Sperrkonto, is a special type of bank account that international students and visa applicants must open to demonstrate they have sufficient funds to cover their living expenses while in Germany. The money deposited in this account is blocked, meaning only a limited amount can be withdrawn each month once you arrive in the country, acting as proof of financial stability to the German authorities. Let's go through the steps. First, you need to apply to a German university and receive your admission letter. Next, you need to open a blocked account for financial proof. Then, you will submit your visa application with the required documents. Finally, you will attend the interview at the German consulate. This process typically takes about 4 to 8 weeks. The cost is around €75, approximately $79. Looking for a job in Germany. The job seeker visa allows you to stay in Germany for up to 6 months while searching for employment. To be eligible, you will need a degree or qualifications recognized in Germany, proof of financial means for your stay, around €947, approximately $993 per month, and travel health insurance for the entire 6-month period. The first step in the process is to gather documents, including proof of qualifications and financial means. Then you will submit your application at the German consulate or embassy. Finally, you will attend an interview where you will explain your job-seeking plans. The entire process takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks. The cost is around €75, approximately $79. Already secured a job offer in Germany? A work visa allows you to move and start your career. To be eligible, you will need an employment contract from a German company, proof that your job meets Germany's labor market needs, and any relevant qualifications and certificates. The first step is to obtain a formal job offer or contract. Then you can submit your visa application with documents like proof of qualifications. Lastly, attend an interview and provide biometrics. This process typically takes about 4 to 8 weeks. The cost is around €75, approximately $79. Planning to reunite with family in Germany? The family reunion visa helps you join close relatives or your spouse. To be eligible, you will need proof of relationship, such as a marriage or birth certificate, and proof that the family member in Germany has sufficient income and housing. The first step is to submit documents proving your relationship and financial stability. Then you will have to go to an interview at the German consulate. This typically takes about 8 to 12 weeks. The cost is around €75, approximately $79. Are you a self-employed professional or freelancer? Germany offers a special visa to support your career. To be eligible, you will need proof of freelance work or contracts with German clients, evidence of financial self-sufficiency, around €9,744, approximately $10,224 annually, and comprehensive health insurance. First step is to submit proof of your freelance work, qualifications, and income. Then you will attend an interview explaining your freelance plans. This is usually done in about 4 to 6 weeks. The cost is around €75, approximately $79. Regardless of your visa type, some common documents are needed, such as a valid passport, a completed visa application form, passport-size photos, proof of financial means, and proof of travel health insurance. Submitting your visa application is an essential step. Prepare your application package by double-checking all documents to ensure they're complete and meet the visa requirements. Make sure you have included any visa-specific documents, like proof of admission for a student visa or an employment contract for a work visa. When you are confident you have a complete application package, you need to book an appointment at your nearest German consulate, embassy, or visa application center. Please note that some consulates require online registration, so be sure to check their official website. Everyone likes to get paid, so make sure you don't skip the next step. Always pay the visa fee. Please remember that visa fees vary by type, with most long-term visas costing €75, approximately $79, and Schengen visas costing €80, approximately $84. Payment methods vary depending on the consulate, so always confirm whether they accept cash, card, or online payments. When you go to your interview, make sure you bring your application package, including your passport and all required documents. Always plan and make sure you are prepared to answer questions about your travel plans or the purpose of your stay in Germany. It's tip time. It makes everything so much smoother if you organize your documents in the order listed by the consulate for faster processing. Most applicants will need to provide biometric data, including fingerprints and a photograph. At your visa appointment, you'll provide fingerprints and a photo, which will be stored in Germany's visa system for identification purposes. There are certain visa types, like the job seeker visa or family reunion visa, which may require an interview. As mentioned above, plan ahead and be prepared to discuss your plans in Germany, your financial situation, or your qualifications. You'll receive a tracking number or receipt after submitting your application so you can track it. You can use this to check the status of your application on the consulate's website or through their visa center. After completing the application process, the waiting period begins. Here's what to do while you wait for your visa approval. Typical processing times for Schengen visas are 10 to 15 working days, and for long-term visas, like student, work, or family reunion, are 4 to 12 weeks, depending on the visa type. Once your visa is approved, you'll be notified to collect your passport with the visa stamp. Check the details on your visa, including the validity period and entry conditions. You can prepare for your upcoming move by researching housing options in your destination city, such as Berlin, Munich, or Frankfurt. Spoken in most locations, it is a good idea to learn basic German phrases to help you settle in faster. We made the video, 50 top conversational phrases to learn in German, to help with this. The link to the video is in the description below. When you have figured everything out, you can book your flight and plan your arrival date based on your visa start date. Remember to bring all your visa and travel documents organized for any immigration checks. Tip time. It is helpful to register your address at the local residence registration office, or Anmeldung, within 14 days of arrival in Germany. This is important because it's mandatory. And there you have it. Moving to Germany can feel overwhelming, but by following these steps, you'll be well on your way to starting a new chapter in one of Europe's most exciting countries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you'd like more information on any of the visa categories we covered today, leave a comment below. Wishing you safe travels and enjoy your journey to Germany.